Good morning, guys. You're getting me tired. Tired, no makeup, Barbara. I gotta bust my move here because I got a client that's coming over and I gotta clean off the desk so I can pull out the computer. Been a busy couple days and I don't do busy very well. I'm not in sync with this timeline. That has been a big problem of mine that I'm trying to correct. Let's see what Spirit wants to talk about today. Ooh, about the past. Ew, and walking away from it. Day of the Dead and the Fall. Okay, from my Mindset Unicorn, Mindset and Affirmation deck. Oliver, you are not part of the past. Why do you want to be up here? Are you reading for the collective? Yeah, what do you want? What do you want to read for the collective? Do you have any choices here? That one right there? Okay, thank you. Oh, you're trying to keep your emotions out of it. Thank you, Oliver. Okay, dragon energy here. Okay, but they're showing me the dragon's foot kind of like the Three of Wands, candles moving forward, and the energy has already started to move. Okay, what you are leaving here was very, very soul expansive, very, very spiritually ascending. Okay, really engaged a lot in you. Okay, yeah, but you are in no contact or not talking to this energy right now. Okay, person, place, or thing. But it's time for you to move on. No, we do not bark during mommy's readings. Sit down. Okay, yep, pause and let go. Pause and let go and visualize where it is you are going with an open heart. Okay, very, very important. So tell me a little bit about what we're being grateful for in the past here that we are walking away from. Okay, something that was untruthful. Ace of Swords in reverse. Something that wasn't giving us the truth. And the universe told us this again and again. Okay, yeah. 10 of Pentacles. We could have stayed because it was stable, be it a job, be it a relationship, be it connecting with family members that you know, still connect with. It could have just been that, you know, this is what I do, right? Even if it is rough terrain. The dragon here. Okay, Six of Cups. Whoever was immature in this situation is realizing that that's the way they approached you, okay? And it was a way for them to like quantify to themselves that they were giving to you, but yet they were unlovable still. Okay, but the energy that's been put out into the universe here is the Queen of Wands. So you are asking or have been asking for your power back, Four of Wands in reverse, right? I told you stop. Turning off, shutting down, being finished with this soul contract, right? You guys are separate. You're in hangman position, both of you. You are separate. You're protected, okay? They are in a pre-tower energy. Hey, you want to get down? Your mama is going to put you down if you keep growling. Okay, what you learned here, okay, Seven of Pentacles, how to grow your heart, how to expand your soul, how to grow your heart, what needed to be healed from your inner child. Okay, Knight of Wands. It was like you needed the passion that came with this in the beginning in order to spark that lower chakra and make the Kundalini, okay, work in the right direction. Okay, the silence here is because of some sort of third party energy, Three of Pentacles, right? But this silence is also building up to this energy where you're loving yourself It's like you looked through your list, right? They're showing me like you sat here and you looked through this list, okay, of what it was that you wanted, and you burned it. And this other energy here is still working on their list, okay? And it leaves this very hermited energy in this space of, well, I don't know what to do. If you still are working with this energy and you're waiting for them to work on their list, well, I can't give that to you, right? So you're like, I've done that process of the fire. I'm moving on to the next center, water, right? And you started working on that water center. So I do feel like a lot of you have already moved out of that and you're working towards that air center, this awakening, but you have to cross this bridge. Okay. Yeah. Your wish is on the other side of this, the star. Okay. Again, whoever it is that's dealing with you, Emperor's energy here. If there was an actual third party, they've also burned their list, but they're waiting on whatever this other energy is for this list, right? Because they're still stuck in this place. Like, I can't go any further here. Knight of Pentacles, Two of Wands, Five of Wands, right? Like, I can't go any further here because I am still working through these choices. I can't open my heart yet because I'm still waiting on something here. So you're heart open, letting go, believing that what is yours is already yours, moving towards this future. Yeah, okay. Speak it into truth. You may have, again, now you're working in this water center and moving towards the air center. The connectivity there is the speaking. Okay, some of you, because this is a 4, need to speak from your Emperor status or speak to this Emperor's energy. Some of you just need to, again, remember that your vibrations of your voice, your speaking out loud, is like the magic Easter egg, right? It is what is going to turn this into a reality, right? It's how you truly manifest, is by saying those affirmations. Yeah, and unbinding yourself. Okay, from the 4 to the 8. There's an energy here of allowing yourself the sound of the unbinding, right? As you speak the sound, it quantifies in the universe and it echoes, okay? And then there is double this fruition, double this energy of unbinding from the past and moving forward. And then you have that energy that you sent out, okay? The sun, the life force, okay? Which came from the dragon, came from this towering, came from this burning fire, okay, that brought you that wand of power. But it's being returned. You have to remember the fire here. We've got Earth's grip and the fire aether life. You've got to remember here to any of the fire that you are not using, because you don't want to overboil the water center. Any of the fire you're not using, let it fall away to the earth. Let it go, okay? Let's pull a couple more cards to close this out, Spirit. Okay, yeah, again, the 8. Relax and hold, relax the hold of darkness and be at cause, right? You're moving into the light. You're moving into the upper realm here a little bit. And it's, right, thank you, earth. Thank you, fire. Any that I don't need, I'm leaving behind. But I am moving towards this beautiful upper energy. Okay, yeah, because the gateway will be that upper chakra. The gateway will be where you finally clear this mind mess and you release it up into the hosai, okay, up into the container above before it gets sent everywhere. And with that, you know that your heart has released the past. It's released the need to control, and it's gone through the layers, the root chakra, the sacral chakra, the solar plexus. You let the light of the solar plexus infuse the heart chakra, and that fire warms it up into the upper heart chakra, right? And it comes from love. If you loved where you were, even if they didn't love you back, just hold on to that love. Just cherish that love. Okay? Yeah. Because this big, bold vision is going to open up as you open up your heart chakra, right? You've opened up your vocal. Speak it into truth so that it becomes the vision that you can truly hold on to. And don't let it become obsessive where, oh, it has to be a certain way, right? Let heaven send it. Let the light come in and bring it to you. The only thing that stops you from allowing that is fear. Okay? So I hope this helped you guys this morning. I hope you have a very beautiful day. I'm going to go get client ready. I'll put my face on, have a little breakfast, and clean my tarot up. And I hope you guys just have a beautiful rest of the week. Okay? Love you. Bye.